ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We've got a box of Retail 1920 Series 1 Retail SP. This one's the hit. Another box of Retail SP. This one might be a hit. This one 100%. Mark my words. Hey, alright? That's not a hit. I give this shit away. Then the next video, I think I'm gonna tear into that one and pull a frickin' Jack Hughes this time. It's pissing me off. We're looking for Jack Hughes or Quinn Hughes Young Guns in here. And obviously, autographs. Tony Totar, whatever. Another stupid checklist. Jacob, Nat, Max Pacioretty, Philip Dino, Joachim, and Guard. The hell is that about? Come on now. Sidney freaking Crosby. Alright. Sid the adult. Alright. Marty Jones, James Van Riemsdyk, hell, Matthew Barzal, rookie Ryan Paley, Portraits, Ryan Paley, he's alright, that's alright. He's the guy on the back of the box on Series 1. Damn, can I get a freaking Jack Hughes card? Elias Landholm, Tyler Seguin, Ryan Strome, Drew Daddy, Philip Forsberg, Brad freaking Marchand. Christian Fisher, Oscar, Evgeny, Brett, Candace, oh, Morgan Riley. God damn it. That's stupid as hell. Come on, this one's gonna have the Jack Hughes. Dylan Home, Mario Ferraro. You're not Jack Hughes, you freaking asshole. God damn it. Which makes this pack, there ain't shit in here. I don't even know why I'm gonna even open it. Told y'all, ain't shit in here. Piss me off. God damn it. Dylan Larkin, Mark Andre, freaking traitor. Dylan Larkin, Igor, alright, Igor's alright. I'll take that, Igor, alright. What the hell? Carter Hart. Brock Moser. Mitch Marner. Bo. Brock. Ryan Paley, you freaking asshole. What the hell's up with this? This is Canada? All Canada teams? I didn't, what the hell? Upper Deck. Y'all been pissing me off lately. Wow, the asshole again. Oh my God. Carson Coolman, whatever. Connor McDavid, Claude Giroux, Nick Suzuki, he's alright. Ryan O'Reilly, Tyler Bertuzzi. I don't even know why I open up these packs. I should just start selling them as singles on eBay. Make my money back. And then I'll get the hit for free. Y'all are lucky I'm not a complete scumbag, or I'd be doing it. Johnny Marchessault, Eric, whatever. Ben Bishop. It's nothing. God damn it. Michael Granlund, whatever. Philip Zadina. Here's my hit. Just like I said. We better get a freaking autographed jersey or something. I'll be pissed off. Alright. Oh, that's looking alright to me. Got Teuvo, whatever. Dominic Kubalik, Ryan O'Reilly, and a Nicholas Hague. Damn it. No, he's alright. But I think, oh man. I didn't want him. I wanted somebody else. Whatever. Pissing me off anyway. Alright, let's see if I was right. 2 times in a row. 2 boxes. Carey Price, Matthew Tkachuk. Profiles. Nico Hischier. Stupid asshole. Nope, I was wrong. That's alright. I'm going to get an autograph out of this one. And it's going to be a Jack Hughes. So, or a Quinn Hughes, he's alright too. Let's get one of these assholes on the front of the goddamn box. Rasmus Sandin. Whatever. Got Ovechkin on the back. He's an asshole. Carter Hart, Mitch Marner, Duncan. Sergey, whatever. Pissed me off. Bo, Philip, Seth, Billy. Damn, I'm glad I didn't get his autograph. I would rip it in half. Morgan Riley, Logan. Damn, I'm glad I didn't get his autograph either. Brock, Boser. Damn, what's up with these freaking Canadian packs? This one's it. Shoot, I'll be happy. Steve Stamkos, Dominic Kubalik. I know that this isn't my freaking hit. If that's my hit, oh my God, I'm gonna be pissed. I will be pissed. Duncan, Seth, Carey, Quinn Hughes. Alright. It's about fucking time. God damn it. Well. But I've already got one. So it does. Got Jack Hughes. Quinn Hughes. Come on, man. Send me his freaking brother. Can I get one of each, maybe? Come on, now. Buying these stupid boxes. This better not be my freaking hit. Wow, they sent me 2. Alright. 2 stupid numbered cards. All right, Upper Deck. All right. Okay. All right. So these are my hits. All right. Because they're numbered, they think that these are special. Right. These are going to go into my collection and going to get them graded by PSA for 25. The hell out of here with that shit. We don't want this goddamn shit anymore, Upper Deck. Y'all better kiss my freaking ass. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. I've just been... a lot of shit going on, you know. But next video, I'm going to have these packs ready to roll. And I'm going to call the hit. Just like I always do. That is my thing. I do that. Alright, so, alright, y'all. Till next time.